Okay, good. This is our second prescribed practical. The investigation is to see how the load, and by that we mean the force on the end of this spring, affects the extension. Okay, now how we do that is our independent variable is going to be the weight on the end of the string, and remember, weight means force in newtons. And our dependent variable is going to be the extension. By that we mean how much this spring is longer than its original size. So the very first reading we would take would be force of 0, and we would measure the length of the spring. Now it's very important we are consistent with that. So I would probably measure from the bottom of the little loop at the top and to the top of the loop at the bottom. So we're just actually measuring the bit that's a spiral, okay? And if I do this here by holding the ruler next to it, it's 20 millimeters, okay, or 2 centimeters. What I would then do is apply larger and larger forces to it, measure the length again. So the length now is 5 centimeters. I record that, but if the original length was 2 centimeters, what's the extension at the start? 0, okay, it's not extended. If it then goes down and it's 5 centimeters, it's gone from being 2 with no load, so its natural length is 2, it's now 5, what's the extension?
3.
And that's what we want to investigate here, okay? How does the load affect the extension? And that's going to be our experiment. Okay, cut.